Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so you can add video quickly. Open a Windows Forms or WPF-VB, NET project, and add the Windows Media Player COM reference or choose Media Element for WPF. Once added, import the namespaces at the top of your form or page file so IntelliSense helps you. Drag the control onto the designer surface or declare it in XAML. This first step gets the runtime control ready. Make sure the control shows in the toolbox before you continue. Now you wire the control to a file and add playback logic. In code, set the control's URL or source property to the local path or streaming URI. Use relative paths for deployed apps. Call play, pause, and stop methods from event handlers or button clicks, and subscribe to events like media ended and error to respond to state changes. Once done, connect UI elements, buttons, sliders for position or volume, and update the control from their events so the user can interact naturally. Finish by packaging and validating playback across environments so your app works reliably. Ensure the target machine has required codecs or prefer MP4/H. 264 in modern runtimes. Include files in your installer and reference them with application. Startup path or packaged resources. Test different resolutions and network streams. If playback fails, log the COM or media error, check file permissions and paths, and fall back to an alternate player component. A single troubleshooting tip: verify file path formatting and codec availability first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.